Hello guys, good evening. Kakain tayo guys. Ito yung ulam namin. Sabaw sa isda. Ito oh. Ito yung ulam namin guys. Sabaw guys. Gulay guys. Ito yung isda guys oh. Malaki na isda guys. Ito guys. Ito guys oh, malaki guys. Ito yung ulam namin. Ito guys. Ito guys. Ito guys, ulam namin guys. Malaki. Ito yung ano, gulay. Kakain tayo guys. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.